ahead, Houston.
At Discovery, unfortunately, KSC, the weather has not improved, so we're going to wave off the second attempt. So our next attempt is going to be at Edwards. The weather there at Edwards actually looks good. Scattered at 10,000, broken at 25. Winds right now, they're calling 2308, peak 12. So that's 11-knot headwind. And the time for that is going to be day 13, 19:48. And that's about an hour before sunset. How copy?
Okay, we copy all, Houston, and we do appreciate everybody that worked the weather so hard in Florida, and we appreciate the families making the trip down, but it just doesn't look like it's going to work out for today. So we'll set up for Edwards. And when do you show us picking back up in the deorbit prep checklist?
That's a great question. What we'd like you to do is at an MET time of about 16 hours even, we'd like you to start with, so that's about 25 minutes from now, with RAD bypass fast checkout. And then we'd like you to basically kind of work through that till about the 2-hour and 20-minute point. So you're going to be working that ahead of time and kind of just hold there at the 2-hour and 20-minute point, and then we'll plan on starting the rest of the checklist on time.